So hello again everyone. Now it's time to start building our WordPress theme. So first we need to go to wordpress.org and download the zip file. So basically if you go to wordpress.org and press get WordPress, you can download the file from here. So it's a zip file. Okay. So we need also to go to our localhost website hosting folder. So in my case it's inside alt lamp htdocs, and here we create a new folder. I'll call it WP Bootstrap blog. Okay. And let's also go for to create a new database, localhost php myadmin. Okay, let's new, and I would call it WP Bootstrap blog. Okay, we'll leave it for now, and then we need to open this file after downloading, and we need to grab all these and paste that. Let's grab all these files and paste that inside this folder. And let's close this. Okay, I'll open this in the with VS Code. Okay, so for this file, wp config -sample, I will rename it into wp config. Okay. And for the database name, I will type our new database. Okay. And for the username for your MySQL or for your PHP myadmin, in my case it's root. And for the password, I don't have any password, so I will save that. Then I will jump into let's see, localhost WP Bootstrap blog. Okay, and we need to install the WordPress. So for the title, I will call it WP Bootstrap. Okay, for the username, admin. For the password, admin. Confirm. Let's see. Okay, discourage and install. That should install the WordPress, the basic installation of WordPress on your website. Okay. So after the installation, we can now log into our dashboard. So basically it's admin login. So now we have the basic installation for our WordPress website. So if we go to the website here and see that we have this basic template from WordPress. If you go to appearance, themes, you can see that we already have 3 themes already installed with the WordPress. So now we can go ahead and let's close this. We can go ahead and start creating our theme. So inside WP content themes, we need to create a new folder I'll call it WP Bootstrap, you know, the WP blog. Okay, and inside this folder basically we need to add two files just to make our theme working. And the first file, of course, is gonna be index.php, and the second file will be style.css. And the style.css is not just a basic CSS file. All the information of your theme will be typed here. So if we try to make this, we can of course type theme name, and it's WP or WP Bootstrap blog. Okay, and also we can save now and see our theme. So if we get back into our dashboard and reload, and we now you see we now have the our theme. You see we have the basic theme we already created. So if we typed here hello world, before that, you know, we need to activate the theme. If we activate the theme and go to our website, you will see nothing. If we type something inside index, hello world, save, reload, and we have this hello world. So basically it's getting the basic entry file for the theme is this index.php. So for the style.css, of course, we can add another information. For example, if we go to the documentation, for the documentation we can see that we can add theme name, theme URL, author URL, description, version. Actually, let's copy this, paste that in. Okay, for this tags, I'm not gonna use tags. Okay, for the theme name, it's WP Bootstrap. Okay, and for the URL, I will type my own website. And for the author URL, I will type the same. For the author, I will type my name. Of course, you can type your own. Okay. For description, just basic description. I'll say that basic WordPress theme with dynamic landing page and blog. Okay, let's save that and get back into our dashboard. And now we can see that we have this basic information we already insert inside our style of CSS. So we can change it. Of course, you can change it, but the basic info to make the theme work is this theme name. Okay. So after that, of course, we can add a photo or an image for the theme. So I already have one for the theme. So I will insert it with the basic HTML files. So in the themes and WP blog, I'll paste that in. It should be named screenshot.png. Okay, so if we get back and reload, you can see that we have a new a new image for the theme. You can add your own, of course. Sorry about my voice. I think that's it for the basic installation, and I will continue in the next one. Thank you.